This
nice.
is where I would exist every day. Yes.
Yeah. So that was.
Oh, storage. Wow.
It's even got a jet down there. Oh, what? Oh, God, honey. Okay.
What would you use? I can't even pretend. I just can't even.
Just ride all the way to the rainbow's end. Just ride.
So this is the new white paint job on the Solitudes. I think that's the new standard.
Yes, please.
See, that old one had like the tan color, and the new ones are like this. I think it looks a lot better.
I do too.
You know,
What was that one right there? What's that one?
I'll be able to find this better from this angle because I know what the windows look like.
Okay. I can get better shots too.
Yeah, we're gonna should have two windows in the slide, in the mid slide.
That one? Oh, in the mid slide? Right there.
Yeah, that's how I mean.
So, yep, 378.
378?
Yep.
Okay, that's the one. This is a 2021 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBS-R residential fridge. This is the Mid-Bunk for the Solitude line. I need a bigger truck for it, but if we just wanted to upgrade to something bigger, this is it. 100% this is it. I've been looking at this one online for a while. We actually wanted to get its predecessor, the 377 MBS, before we bought our rig, but I would have needed a bigger truck. That's why we went for the 31 MB Reflection. They made a few changes for 2021, including the outside paint job, so let's go check this one out.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at all the windows. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the fixtures. I mean, this is beautiful. The cabinets over the back couch are absolutely beautiful with a ton of storage. Couch 1. Sofa and table. I love this because you get the table, but you also get enough theater. Well, that's theater seating. This one is not. This would have the bed under it.
It should, yeah. That should fold out into a bed.
And it still has a fireplace, but I love this. This is one of the things that was bothering me in our camper is the TV moves while we're moving. Like it doesn't stay put. What's the matter?
I'm trying to find the switch. I know it's a televator. I'm trying to find the switch for it.
Pantry is another thing. Oh my goodness. That has pull out shelving. Love it. I love this. And you can move, these are adjustable shelving up here. I would love that. This is a very beefy stove, in my opinion.
Beefy.
It is, isn't it?
Mr. Beefy.
Talk about beefy. Look at this refrigerator. Yes. Residential size refrigerator. That would fix our problem with not having enough room when I go to Costco.
It is, I mean, it is a residential refrigerator.
It is massive.
Completely.
And
So this one's going to run off of an inverter, so you're not going to get the propane when you're going down the road.
Yeah.
That's the only downside, is it's going to discharge the batteries a whole lot quicker because it's not using that propane. So if you want to go boondocking, you got to have some pretty good batteries with this one.
We'd have to upgrade, I'm sure.
Yeah. Well,
Add a little bit to it.
so Nate and Marissa, Less Junk More Journey, have this exact same model. Theirs is a little bit different, but theirs is, they got the paint job on the outside. But they've got this fridge, and they did a big upgrade on their batteries a while back. I think they just did solar too. But, so you'd have to do something like that to run a residential fridge.
Yeah.
But I mean, my goodness, it's
It'd be worth it.
totally worth it.
Absolutely. I love this. That is just
I
beautiful.
love everything about this.
I do too. Gary, look. What is this right here? You
It's a
have,
place to put my coffee pot.
and what is this right
An
here?
ice maker.
What's this right here?
Put your wine.
So we would have a coffee pot, an ice maker, and my wine. Happy life.
It's great. I'm telling you, I love everything about this. I could sit here and do schoolwork or edit videos. You can sit there, and the kids. I mean, we still got our movie night, right?
Yeah.
Kids have a place to sit. We got a place to sit.
Wow. Mid-Bunk? Yes. Gary. The storage?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
One of them could do their schoolwork in here. Oh, wow. I love this. I absolutely love this.
And we can charge
So that would be Haley's, and then we would have to do, how would we do that? Hold it.
You know, we've seen a lot of units that just have just a couch and no bunk on top. So,
That's gonna be too tall.
you know, I would probably have to do some modifications, like take this out and lower this to make it about the same height that it is in our rig. And then I'd want to do a little bit of transformation to make this just like what we have, because it works well having two separate bunks.
Would that be comfortable, or could you do like a futon situation?
You could probably do that too.
Because that'd be easy for the kids to pull in and out.
Yeah, it'd take a little bit of modification, you know, some different furniture or something. I don't know, but we'd have to get two different bunks in here. That's why we picked our 31MB, because it actually has two bunks in the bunkhouse.
How
But
big-
it wouldn't take much to do that with this one, you know.
Okay.
It's set up that you can do that.
How deep are those shelves right there?
Infinite.
Let me see.
We'll go to the other side and open those cabinets.
Hi.
Infinite.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I could put all of their school books right here.
Or their clothes.
Or why would I need their clothes from this side?
I don't know.
I wouldn't.
Well,
for me,
if there's clean clothes that you want to hand to us, all you gotta do is just go.
you're right with that.
You can put the school book here.
Does it open to that side? It
Yep.
does. School books up top. I would never have to go in their room. I would never have to go in there.
No.
Do you know how that makes me feel? Do you
To
know how
not
many
have to go in
Legos
the
I've
kids'
stepped
room?
on?
Oh yeah. PlayStation storage. Yeah, I like this. And then when the kids finally move out, I've got my own office. That'd be a while though.
Get out. Mama needs it.
Yeah, Trish, the storage up here passes through too. All of it does. This whole wall is open on both sides. Okay, she's making that sound like she's found something that makes her happy, and she doesn't really care what I have to say right now.
I would live right here. This would be my happy place. And I probably just sat in pink juice.
Fancy seat right
Yes,
there.
it's very fancy,
that.
and I've got the. Yeah, I probably just sat in
Is
pink
your butt
stuff.
wet?
Probably.
Let me see. No, looks good.
This
That's nice.
is where I would exist every day. Yes.
Yeah, so that
Oh,
was.
the storage! Wow.
It's even got a jet down there. Oh, what? Oh, God, honey. Okay.
What would you use? I can't even pretend. I just can't. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.
I love everything about this.
And I like that the towel storage is over here, so you run a little bit less risk of dropping those clean towels in the toilet like we do.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Give me.
One of the sideways bed, right?
Uh-huh. And I could even put a stool here and do my schoolwork in here. That's another option. There's so many different places we could get our schoolwork done. Washer and dryer. Take the shelving out. Stackable washer and dryer. Perfection. And look at the clothing storage. I could bring all my shoes. Yes. Ooh. Oh. Yes. Place to do my makeup. I absolutely love this. It's perfect. The steps are a little
Bless you.
narrow than what we have.
I noticed that.
Specifically like that. Sold.
Honey, it's just a refrigerator with a glass door. Okay, it's not a wine cooler. Okay, it's not just for wine. I mean, it can be if you want it to be.
Wine, beer, Capri Suns. What else do you need?
There you go.
Water.
Okay, right.
Water.
Built-in griddle. I'd want to put my Blackstone in there somehow, but or you could put the ice maker out here too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's just throw a mattress down here and let Nick sleep here.
Seriously.
Okay with that.
Central vac. It's got the easy reel on the other side already in it.
Wow.
Yeah. The tire link system.
I don't know what that is.
So the tires already have tire pressure monitors in them, and that just links it up to your phone. I think like that app that I use to control the awning and everything, I think it links up to that.
Now, does this have that process, that app, rather?
Oh yeah, I think they all do. It's pretty standard. Yeah, I really like the new color versus the tan. A lot of people prefer the tan because it kind of sets it apart from all the other white campers out there, but they did a really good job with the color scheme on this. That's a massive amount of space up there.
This is different.
What?
There's a double door, but this one folds up and this one folds out.
Yeah, well, they couldn't have both went up because it would have hit the slide, and they couldn't have went out because then it would have hit, it would have covered that up, so makes sense. Built-in filter, that's nice. And all three of your tanks have valves in here.
So if you have this filter, do you need to put another one on?
No,
This is my number one right now.
I'm gonna check out the back. Still got plenty of room for a sticker. What do you think about that one, honey?
If we want to get another fifth wheel, just a bigger fifth wheel, that's what I want. That's perfect. The finishes, the layout of it, it's just beautiful. That's all I can say. Like any little problem that we have with the 31MB, that would fix it. Period. That's it.
100%.
Yeah.
We get more couch space. We get a more solid table. We get a ton more storage space. And you get your sideways bed and your washer and dryer.
Yeah.
It solves every problem that we have. That was my favorite. That was, without a doubt, my favorite. I really wanted a toy hauler, but that 378 Solitude is perfect.
Beautiful.
It's perfect. It literally solves all the problems that we have
In this one.
with this one. Oh, I'm not going to say they're problems. All the things that we wish were different. About the only thing with that one is we have to do something in the bunkhouse, since that top bunk's a little small, and we'd rather have two solid beds. But I mean, besides that, it's perfect. Anyway, we're not quite ready to buy something else yet. It may be later on down the road, maybe another year or so, maybe next spring,
June.
maybe in a couple months. I don't know. This one's been really good to us so far. I'm sure we're going to come across more dealerships, and new floor plans are going to come out. So anytime we see something that might work for us, we're going to check it out, and then we'll share it with you guys too. But in the meantime, we've got some laundry to do. Well, she's got some laundry to do. She doesn't let me do laundry. The good news is we have a golf cart.
Haley, are you going with me? Okay, well then you're going to hold the handles.
I have to hold all these handles? How am I going to hold all these handles? I don't have 3 arms.
See, that's one reason we kind of wanted a toy hauler, so we can haul a golf cart around and make life easier when laundry day comes. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
It's literally perfect, and I love the new color. So when it comes time to do that,
It's on your arm. I'm so sorry. My bad.
It's okay.
It's the pollen. I can't help it.
I know.